Kicho, Hyung Sam Bu. Basic form number 3 in the Tang soo system. This one starts out with an inside block to a back stance, middle punch to a front stance. Now 180 degree turn to the right, inside block, back stance, middle punch, front stance, low block, front stance to the center, then horse stance, middle side punch, 3 of them. On the third one, you ki. 270 degree turn now to the left, inside block, back stance, middle punch, front stance, 180 degrees to your right, inside block, back stance, middle punch, front stance. Now a low block to the center, front stance, and 3 more of those middle side punches to the horse stance. Ki on the last one. Now 270 degree turn to your left, inside block, back stance, middle punch, front stance, 180 degrees to the right, inside block, back stance, and middle punch, front stance. Now you go to Chun V or Yoi or whatever you want to call it. And end of kata, end of Hyung, end of form.